Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Kingswood today. That's the only thing I bought, a little kitchen timer or 1 hour timer. Cost me £1.50. I've been keeping an eye out for them because I've been talking or doing videos, panorama videos. I use this, which is an IKEA timer. Just wind it up and it slowly rotates around, takes an hour to do a complete revolution. As I say, that's one I made myself. This is one that I actually bought full price. It's one of those ones that's got that sort of rubbery surface on it that goes sticky over the years, which is why it's got bits of sand sticking to it. That one, when I bought it, the listing said it would support the weight of my main camera, my Canon PowerShot SX60HS. So I tried it and it couldn't cope at all. It wouldn't turn. Works absolutely fine with something like a GoPro, but my main camera, which, as I say, the listing said it could carry that sort of weight, it didn't work at all. Same thing though, you wind, it's inside, it must be virtually the same mechanism. Andoa time lapse, yeah, okay. And I did mention I've done a couple of others with other kitchen timers. I'll put a link in the video description to my Panorama playlist, which I think includes the videos on making them and the other ones. Anyway, I've been keeping my eye out for another suitable timer that we could modify. So got this one. Does it work? Oh, it is ticking. It's quite stiff, which is good. Okay, so I was thinking of doing a very simple modification to this one. Because I have a 3D printer, I will print something that will just sit over that. Like that. In fact, I might make it even simpler. Rather than having the full GoPro setup, I might just make it half size, so you can just sit the GoPro on top of it, or in the slot. Because it doesn't need all this. I mean, it's not as if it's going to bounce around or anything. You want that to sit on a smooth surface and just turn around. So I don't think I need all this. I just need a little sort of slot, the right size. So that's the plan. I will do that, well, as part of this video rather than doing a separate video. Another print with this Soul Yin filament that's been giving me trouble. I do seem to be able to get a print done now. Still stringy, but I'm running it colder and faster, and at the highest quality. And it seems to be working. It's not as nice as other filament I've used, but At least I seem to be able to get some use out of it rather than just throwing it straight in the bin. So that gap is for that to slot into, and then that'll just sit in there. Got a couple of hooks there. I could wrap a rubber band around there to stop it falling out, but it should be all right anyway. So that fits on there like that. That on there, and then leave it running. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.